Hey guys, what's going on? Purple here, and today my little sister will be rating my fidgets.
Bella!
Yeah, that's my little sister. Her name is Bella. Anyways, Bella, what's your favorite color?
Pink!
What is your favorite thing to do?
Grapes!
Okay. And, what is your favorite TV show?
My Little Pony.
Okay. Well, anyways, she will be rating my fidgets. So, Bella, which ones do you want to rate first? These are all my fidgets. You want to rate the Swanky? Okay. What do you rate the Swanky out of 10? Remember, 1 is terrible, 2 is okay, 3 is okay, 4 is okay, 5 is good, is meh, 6 is good, 7 is good, 8 is good, 9 is good, 10 is good. So basically, 1 is really bad, 10 is good. Okay? Yeah. What do you give it?
Pink. 10.
10? Okay, so she gives the keyhole Swanky a 10 out of 10. Okay. Bella, what do you want to rate next? Play-Doh? Okay, what do you rate my Play-Doh out of 10? It feels a little different than Play-Doh. What do you rate it out of 10?
A
1 or a 10?
A 1.
You don't really like it?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
But it's not really that good.
Okay.
Okay. So she gives the Play-Doh a 1. Okay. What do you want to rate next? The flip sequin. So it flips up and down. She wants to rate the flip sequin pillow. Little mini pillow. What do you rate that? A 1 or a 10?
10.
You really like it?
Yes.
Okay. Now what do you want to rate? The thing?
What?
This is the ears. You wipe your finger down it. What do you rate it?
10.
Okay. Now what do you want to rate? Okay. Here, I'll connect them in a way. I connect them together. Do you like them?
Yeah.
What do you give them?
10.
Okay. Let me see. Remember, after this, we will be organizing my fidgets. Okay?
Okay.
I'll leave the timestamps in the description. What do you want to rate next? The mochi? What do you give the mochi?
10.
Okay. Don't stretch it. Don't stretch it.
Okay.
She gives my little cat mochi a 10. Okay, now what do you want to rate? The snake?
Yeah.
Here, let me untangle it. I'm just making it all straight. Okay, what do you give this snake out of 10? You can.
10.
Okay, she gives this snake a 10 out of 10. Okay.
5.
Remember, no putting this in your hair? Just put it right here. Thank you, Mother. Okay, so just keep it on the table. You can poke it. Here. You want to stretch it?
Yeah.
Just don't put it in your hair. Okay? And poke it, poke it. What do you give it out of 10?
10. 1.
Okay.
8.
You don't like it?
I do.
Okay, so you give it a 10?
Yeah.
Okay. She gave my purplish, brownish slime a 10. Okay, now what do you want to rate? My apple juice squishy? What do you give it out of 10?
1.
Okay, so she doesn't really like my DIY apple juice squishy. You want to rate these? Okay, these you can like rub your fingers down. You can rub them in here. You can unfold it and you can unzip it and rezip it. She's rating these right now. What do you give it?
10.
You really like them. Okay. You have spinning tops. My spinning tops here. I can show you guys.
I want to try try it.
Bella, wait. The spinning tops, what do you give them? I mean, they aren't really a fidget, but...
1.
Oh, you don't really like them?
I do.
So what do you give them?
1, 10.
Yeah. Okay.
1, 10.
Okay, what do you give that? So you would give like those a 5?
A 10.
Okay. You give the squishy a 10?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all my fidgets. Okay.
And
Now
all
we're
my
gonna
pictures
do-
are in here.
Oh, yeah, she has fidgets too. Oh wait, I forgot one thing.
What do you want to
Bella,
sell?
wait. 1 second, guys. We forgot 2 fidgets. My Poppet, my actual Poppet, and my DIY Poppet. Bella, bring your chair over a little bit. There you go. Sit down. So Bella, what do you give my DIY Poppet? You can pop it like this. And just kind of stack up. Or you can pop it like this.
And this.
And you can pop it like this. Back up. No, that won't work.
Now this.
And pop it. Pop these ones.
I'm going to pop this one.
Okay, so now you've popped the quiet side. Remember, guys, this is what the quiet side sounds like. Here, I can actually give you a... Yeah.
Oh, look, yours is blue now.
Okay, and then that was the quiet side,
Look,
and here's the
yours
right
is
side.
blue.
Nope, it's still purple. Okay, Bella, come on, ready? That was the left side. Okay, Bella, and 1 second. This is the quiet side on my DIY. This is the quiet side on my DIY. And this is the loud side on my DIY.
Is this the quiet side or the loud side?
Okay, Bella, you need to rate these ones. This is the quiet side, but you need to rate these. What do you rate my Poppet out of 10?
20.
20 out of 10. She really likes my Poppet. Okay, and what do you give my DIY Poppet out of 10?
16.6.
66?
Yeah.
She gives my DIY Poppet a 66 out of 10.
Hey, don't try mine.
Bella, we need to show them what yours sounds like.
I'm
Okay, let's show them your fidgets. Bella, where are all your fidgets?
In here?
Okay, grab all your fidgets. I think she only has her Poppets.
Hey, don't get my pocket.
Okay, let me just pop these back.
Don't, no,
Let me
no.
pop them back.
I'm going to pop them back.
Okay. I'm just gonna eat my toast.
You can do that.
Okay, Bella, let's show them your Poppet. Let me show them. Let me show them.
I want to show them. I want to show them.
You know I can edit this part out. Anyways, now we're gonna get to organizing all my fidgets. So, do not mind my shirt. You got the button. Let's put all my fidgets in. First, we're gonna put in my Poppets. Of course, we can put this one in right here, and my DIY in right here.
Why do we still have our slippers?
Because they feel nice and they're comfortable. Bella.
Oh.
She literally just asked, why do we still have our slippers on? I'm like, because they feel nice and they're comfortable. Anyways, I'm just gonna put it into the snapper. I'll make you a snake snapper, and then you have to rate that.
Okay.
Bella, no. So this is how you make the snake snapper. I need to unfold it. So you count from this side 1, 2, 3 white. Then you turn, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Then you turn, and it should make this snake this shape. This is my mini one, and then you can go like that, What do you give the wacky track, the snake snappers, sorry?
66.
Okay. 66. Okay. Yeah, she's just fine with the up and down thing. Okay, now we're gonna put my Play-Doh probably. Actually, we're gonna put in these first, so.
What color is this?
Orange. I'm trying to sort them, Bella.
Okay. I got a basket over here.
Okay. Okay. We're just sorting my Fidgets without her. Actually, we won't even have to sort them because now I'm gonna have my sister rate them. Actually, I'm gonna have my grandma if she's okay with it. If it's my grandma's okay with it, I'm gonna have my grandma rate them. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Well, in a couple of seconds for you. Peace. This is my grandma. She will be now rating my Fidgets. Okay, Mugga, ready?
Yeah.
So, what do you want to rate first?
Turn that off.
That's the camera.
Well, I want to know what we're doing here.
You're rating my Fidgets.
I'm what?
You're rating my Fidgets.
Your fidget. Oh, your fidgets. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What do you want to rate first?
That one.
These?
Okay.
Okay. You can connect them. What do you rate them?
Yeah, and here's a green
Oh.
one if you want it.
Okay, I'll do green and purple.
Yeah, and then
What do you rate them out of 10?
And then blue and purple. And then
Five.
blue and purple.
She rates
No, it's okay.
these little connecting thingies a 5.
Yeah.
Okay, Bella,
Okay.
come on. Go.
Over there.
Them.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put my test right there. Now what do you want to rate?
I don't care. Just give me one.
Squishy. It's a cardboard squishy.
Oh. Nah, that's a 2. It doesn't
Okay,
pop
she-
back very well.
Yeah, you sometimes have to blow into it. She gives my cardboard squishy a 2. Now what do you rate my ASMR box. Go
Oh,
ahead.
yeah.
Borrow my slate.
There you
Ooh.
go. Nice job.
What do you give it?
This is a little bit better. I'd say maybe
Borrow my slate.
6.
This is a 6. Okay, now rate my Slinky.
Oh, I like Slinkies. This would be a 9.
Yeah.
I like Slinkies.
Yeah.
Okay, she gives the Slinky a 9. This squishy. Okay, this and this.
How come the part's missing?
Oh, yeah, I cut it off.
Oh, I like
Okay.
that too. That would I give a 9.
This
That
one
one's
is a
awesome.
9.
Okay, will you stop? She's doing it, okay? There you go. There.
What do you give my snake snappers?
Yeah.
This turns all around.
Yeah, it does.
Now I'll give that a 7.
She gives my snake a 7. Okay, this is a mini snake. What do you rate my mochi? It's a little weird.
Ugh.
What do you give it?
1.
She gives my mochi a 1.
Well, how do you
Flip
spell
sequin
this one?
thingy.
What's it for? Am I supposed to do
It's
anything
just a
with
flip
it?
sequin.
Oh,
It's a fun flip sequin keychain.
4.
Flip sequin keychain is a 4.
Honey.
I'll put it back. These zipper things where it's kind of like textured everywhere.
No, I don't like those.
And then you can like take them apart.
1.
She gives my zippers a
I
1.
don't like them when I use them with bags.
What do you give them? What do you give my spinning tops? It's not really a Fidget, but they spin. good.
3.
She gives my spinning tops a 3. What do you give my Play-Doh? It feels different than normal Play-Doh.
What is?
It's
What?
just normal Play-Doh, but it feels a
Oh.
little different.
4. I like Play-Doh. 5. I like.
5. So she gives my Play-Doh a 5. What do you give my slime?
Ugh.
Give it.
2.
She gives my slime a 2. Okay, what do you give my DIY popper? Bella, no.
Wait,
You
you
pop
are
them down.
cheap, aren't you?
Oh, I just make some that I see.
Yeah.
That was my idea, though.
I don't like that one.
What do you give my...
That I like too. That's your poppet. Or
Yeah.
Bubble, whatever.
Yeah, it's
yeah.
called Poppet.
Yeah, I just
What do you give my poppet?
Oh, I'll give you an 8 or 9 on that one.
Okay.
Okay.
How do you spell it?
That's all my fidgets.
Very good.
How do you spell it?
Okay.
Okay.
All
Can you
right,
send
well-
an Emma?
Huh?
Can you send an Emma?
Well, we'll see if she'll do it. You know how Emma is.
Yeah, true. This is my sister Emma, aka Ashpaws 821. Bella, no touch. What do you want to rate first?
To what?
Okay, just rate those. What do you give them out of 10? What do you give those out of 10?
Probably like a 6.
So she gives my little things that go together and separate like a 6. Okay.
I'm going to finish this.
Yeah.
You're not going to stop me.
Okay. 6. Yeah, I would give them a 6 too. I'm just gonna set it over there for right now. What do you give my squishy that I cut in half?
Trash.
Okay. What do you give my cardboard squishy? Don't throw it. It doesn't really go up that well.
Yeah.
But what do you give it?
Trash.
So trash and trash. I'm gonna go get my squishy real quick. So these she said were both trash.
Hey,
Okay.
it's
They are
mine.
both. Oh, God.
They are though.
Mine.
Bella,
Mine.
just let her sit there.
Mine.
What do you give my ASMR? Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, she gives both of these a trash. What do you give my ASMR bar?
This is probably the second best thing that I see. So
Yeah.
How do you
I would rate this
spell
9.
So she gives my ASMR bar a 9. Okay, what do you rate my flip sequin thing?
I mean, it's not fidget.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
there's also
Bella,
another thing
move.
that isn't really a fidget. But
Based on fidget, I give it trash. But based on,
fun and stuff.
yeah, I would give it a solid 7.
Solid
And a
7
half.
for fun. And a half for fun. Swanky?
This.
Trash.
No, I'll give that like a 3.
Okay. She gives the Swanky a 3. Wait, I need to go get.
Subscribe to me, link
No.
in the description.
Where did my fidget? No, where did my Swanky go? I do not know where my Swanky went. But, anyways, what do you give my pop? That's the right side.
Where's the swimming?
It's
It
hard to
hates
put.
me.
Yeah, it does.
Where's
She
the
absolutely
swimming?
hates me.
Where's the swimming?
But the website is really good.
Emma, where did you put the swimming? Emma.
What do you
I'll
give?
give that a 6.
She gives my poppet a 6. Okay, what do you give my DIY poppet?
Hey.
Both sides are the loud side. Oh,
True. Yeah, you can't punch them down on the table.
trash.
Yeah, it is. It is. What do you give my Play-Doh?
Play-Doh, that's easy. That's 10.
Yeah, Play-Doh is easy. It's 10. Mochi.
Seeing as I can take out all my anger, probably like an 8.
It's actually really fun to squish, but it does have a little hole at the bottom, so
I got a chair.
nice. Okay, what do you give my snake?
This I'll give a 10 just because I can do so much random stuff with it.
What do you give my textured scissors?
No, trash.
And you can like feel on the inside and you can see
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I cut it. I cut it on my own. That's why.
I mean, after a while, I'd get bored of it. It's probably
Yeah.
like a 5.
Okay, what do you give my spinning tops? Just so rated. I also have a red.
How do you spell this?
Probably like, I'll give this probably like a 3.
Spinning tops are 3. And last but Bella, be quiet.
Oh gosh, I'm scared for this one.
Bella, stop. It has a good stretch to it.
Here's the real test if it's a good slime. give this like a 7 out of 10.
Slime is a 7.
I get 60.
Yeah, she gave the slime 60 out of 10. That is all of my fidgets. Okay, now I have to edit this all out. This is gonna be great.
I have an editor.
You do?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Not telling you.
Will you edit my video for me?
I don't know how. Okay, bye.
Boy.
Bye.